Hey everybody, and welcome to another video in the series of memberships that you can use with your Cricut or other cutting machines. In this video, I'm going to feature Creative Fabrica. But before we get started, make sure you subscribe to my channel. Just hit that big red subscribe button down below. We'll be doing more videos in this series, so if there's a membership that you want to know more about, let me know in those comments down below. I'm always happy to answer any questions that you guys have or to feature any of the memberships that you would like to know more about. So again, we are featuring Creative Fabrica in this, and they have been kind enough to offer us a 30% discount on their memberships. I'll link those down below for you guys, but the cool thing is with that 30%, that lasts for every single month that you keep your membership through their website. So let's get started and talk all about the Creative Fabrica membership options. Welcome to Creative Fabrica. This is another membership that you can use with your craft cutting machines and lots of other things too. They have a lot of options here. So first I'm going to talk to you a little bit about their different subscription options. They have a couple different versions that you can use, and it's going to depend on what you want to use it for. Now I have all access because it's fantastic, and you guys can save 30% at the link below or by using code Corinne30. I'll put that down in the video for you guys. We're going to start here with the crafts, and this is $12 for 3 months. And in this, you get 38,000 plus cut files. You can join the craft club, and this includes your commercial license. Now keep in mind, the commercial license on this website, along with many others, only pertains to time that you continue your membership. So if you end your membership, you no longer have commercial use license of the images that you get from these subscriptions. Now I'm going to pop over here and go to graphics. This one is $19 a month, and in this price you can download over 2 million designs. New graphics are added daily, and it includes a commercial use license. Then we have one that's just for fonts, and this has over 53,000 fonts with new fonts added daily and a commercial use license. But the one that I highly recommend, because it includes everything, is All Access, and this one gets everything from the craft subscription, plus all the fonts, plus all the graphics, plus embroidery designs, and commercial use license for everything. But you get so much stuff with this that it's fantastic, and like I said, you can save 30% down at the bottom. Right now, and this will be over by the time the video airs, but they do offer $1 trial for the first month a lot of times, so be on the lookout because I post that in my community tab on YouTube. Also on Facebook, I post about it, and on Instagram. So just make sure that you are aware of those deals as well. Now, what we get. So if we are an all access member, I'm going to go ahead and log in so that I can show you everything. Now that I'm logged in, I have access to everything that you would have access to if you have the all access membership, but they do offer a lot of freebies and other great things here. So you can always look under our freebies tab and see what they have for free. There's usually some great fonts and some great graphics that you can use just about on anything. They have fonts, SVGs, graphics, and free embroidery designs. So you can do a lot with them. I'll show you the embroidery because I think these are pretty fun. But you can see you get lots and lots of different options, and there's a little bit of something for everybody, and these are free. You don't have to pay for a membership to use these or to access these. So we'll just start at the beginning over here with fonts, and I'm just going to click on the top of it, but you can see that they're all broken down into different styles. Now, if you have the all access membership, all of these fonts are included for you with the commercial use license, so you can download as many or as few as you want. They always have some really, really great fonts, and you can also look at them based on their style. Display fonts, sans serif, serif, black letter, slab serif, decorative, dingbats, color fonts, browse all, script and handwritten is at the top. Tons and tons of great fonts, so definitely check those out. There are over 50,000 fonts. Then if you go over to graphics, there's a lot of different kinds of graphics that you can get. There's some for sublimation. There are some that are SVGs over here. There are some that are clip art and digital papers, which are great for sublimation or stickers, things like that. But then they also have this 3D SVG option here under the graphics tab. And this is going to be a lot of your shadow boxes, your actual boxes, your mandala animals, rolled flowers, bows, all sorts of great things under this section. So you can find just about anything that you're looking for under here. And there are 66 pages full of 3D graphics. There's home crafts, coloring books for both adults and kids, and even more. Quilt patterns, cross-stitch patterns, crochet patterns, sewing patterns, product mock-ups. This is kind of a great one to have. If you are a seller on Etsy or on Facebook or anywhere, having a mock-up is a really great way to save yourself time and money. You don't actually have to make the item, but you can show what your image would look like on the item. So they've got shirts and backdrops and all sorts of things that you can use for your mock-ups. They have pages and pages of this, 348 pages. Under crafts, there's a lot of really cool stuff. They have them broken down by holidays, but if you just go to craft designs, you can search for anything that you're looking for, but then they also have some of their most popular for the week. You can also click on any of these little categories down here that you might want to see, or you can just click view all and find just about everything. And then they also list all of their new releases right down here, which is super helpful if you're looking for something new and interesting. The other thing that's really fun that they have is the Craft Club. And what this is, it's a spot on their website where you or anyone can request a image that they're looking for, and then the designers or someone else can submit an image and you can use those images. So you can see this person requested a 3D multi-layered cardstock lotus flower, and so they have a bunch of different options. So you can go ahead and download these and create the images. But you can definitely come in here if you're looking for something specific, and people can leave those specific images for you. So it's really cool, super helpful to have, especially if you're looking for something that's maybe a little bit off the wall. Like over here, it looks like we've got some people where they were looking for a watercolor bundle about crafting with a plotter, like a cameo, glue, scissors, hook, weeder, all the things. And you can see here that they have included this and somebody has created these images. So it's really cool. It's a super fun thing that you have access to. We also have embroidery files, which for me, I don't know how to embroider, but I do love them. They're really cool. But you can see they have lots of different designs and styles. So there's a ton that you can do with these. But again, this isn't something that I know how to do anything with, but I know people use some of these designs and have used them for their Cricut before, but please don't ask me how because I have no idea. But they are really cool, and it's a nice thing that you do have the access to, so it's really nice. Another thing is that we get access to all of the font cloud, the shape cloud, the web font generator. Font cloud is a really cool one. This one actually will show you all of your fonts on your computer. It's kind of like wordmark.it, but you have access to it here. Completely free, easy to use. Shape cloud is one of my favorite things because you can actually type in your own words and choose a shape or upload your own shape, and it will put the words into that shape for you. So it's really cool. They've got tons of different shapes that you can choose from. You can change the fonts that you want, all sorts of really, really fun things, and you can just see what it looks like in those designs. You can put in a ton of different words, and then you get this cool shape. So that's a really neat one. And then you have the web font generator. I really don't use this one too much, but it's pretty fun. You convert fonts into a web font, which basically, I don't actually know completely what it does other than somehow converts it to be used for web embedding, but I literally don't understand it. But it is a nice tool if you know how to use it. The other thing that we also have access to here are print-on-demand things. So we have print-on-demand assets, which basically you can use any of these. You can print with them. You can send them to a print-on-demand printer and use them as well, which is fun. And then we also have bundles. So let's say we want this Mega Craft bundle. We can download this for completely free. We don't pay for it if we have the full access membership, which is awesome. So if you download 3 or 4 of these bundles a month, you've paid for your membership very quickly. I really do like their website. I think they have a lot of really great options. They have a lot of great items. My favorite section is definitely the graphic 3D SVGs. I think they have a lot of cool stuff that you can get, and there's a lot that you can do with this. Again, there are pages and pages and pages of designs. I'll just take you to this page down here. You can see you've got these cool lanterns. These are really fun to make. You can go find SVGs for, this is like a cool like rounded lantern. There's cards, there's stars, there's all sorts of really neat stuff in this. So definitely before you commit to it, look around their website, see what they have, make sure it's something that you actually want to use and that you think you'll use quite a bit of. It is a really good deal. And again, don't forget to use the code Corinne30 to save 30% on your membership. You can also just click the link down below to save that 30% as well. If you guys have any questions, please let me know in those comments down below. I'm so happy to help you guys with anything. If there's a membership that you are looking for, let me know. I will be more than happy to go over that membership for you guys. I do have a couple more coming, but if there's something specific that you would like to know about, let me know and I will add it to my list. I hope you guys had fun checking out Creative Fabrica and their membership options. I hope you guys have a great day and happy crafting.